Hello traders, in this video I'll be reviewing the Oblivion EA for MT4 and taking a closer look at what it offers based on the information available on the MQL5 Marketplace page. But before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So looking at the marketplace page, Oblivion EA is an MT4 expert advisor developed by Maxim Neimeric. At the time of this review, the EA is available as a free download, and the current version listed is version 1.2, which was updated on June 1st, 2018. One of the first things the developer highlights is that the EA requires low spreads and minimal slippage for proper operation. The recommended spread value is around 2 points. Okay, so broker conditions could play an important role in the overall performance of this system. Moving further into the description, the developer explains that the EA is based primarily on Bollinger wave signals. In addition to Bollinger Bands, it also incorporates stochastic and moving average indicators as part of its decision-making process. Another point worth noting is that the developer specifically states that the EA does not use martingale or grid trading systems, which may be important for traders who prefer avoiding those approaches. The recommended setup is EURUSD on the M5 time frame. The suggested trading window is between 5 minutes to 8 o'clock, right? It's between 0:05 to 8:00, covering the period between the close of the American session and the opening phase of the European session. By default, the EA is also configured to close all open positions at 23:59, although that setting can be adjusted by the user. Looking through the available settings, traders have control over position sizing through the lots parameter, along with slippage and maximum spread controls to help manage trading conditions. There are also separate magic numbers for order identification, plus customizable start and stop trading times. The EA provides additional controls for automatic position closure, allowing users to define when all trades should be closed if that functionality is enabled. Beyond that, there are customizable moving average parameters for both buy and sell conditions, a gap setting that controls the maximum distance between price and the fast moving average, as well as adjustable stochastic and Bollinger Bands parameters. Now let us move over to the backtesting section and examine the historical testing performance. Whenever I'm evaluating any automated strategy, I always prefer looking at longer testing periods whenever possible because they tend to provide a broader picture of how a system behaves across different market environments. But I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Based on the information that we can see here, the Oblivion EA was tested on EURUSD 5 minutes time frame. This was between 4th January 2016 to 8th December 2017. And I can see here that initial deposit was $1,000. Total net profit was 13,820. And I can see that the total trades taken were 3,280, out of which 2,833 were profitable. That led to an 86.37% win rate. And the balance curve looks pretty smooth. The balance had been growing steadily over time. And then here, this shows another report that yielded 13,666 in profit. This was for um, FX private server. This was IC markets. All right. So this just shows that, the difference in broker conditions kind of affected the exact figures that the EA yielded. All right. But then the balance curve was still kind of smooth. Let's head over to our strategy tester. Let us test the EA on EURUSD on the M5 time frame as recommended. And I'm using the every tick modeling. I'm testing between the 19th of March to the 19th of June 2026. All right, so looking at the report here, I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was negative $7.81. The total trades taken were 69, out of which 42 were profitable, yielding a 60.87% win rate. And the largest profit was 60 cents, largest loss was $2.19. Average profit was 21 cents, average loss 61 cents. So this shows me that the risk to reward ratio is really bad. And the EA is obviously targeting short-term price movement, because how can the largest profit be 60 cents for a $10,000 account? So the EA is definitely, targeting short-term price movement. But let's go turn on the visuals. Let us see the EA in action. All right. So based on the information provided by the developer, we know that the strategy combines Bollinger Bands, stochastic, and moving average analysis. Looking at the historical chart activity, any observations regarding entries and exits should be viewed within that context. Since the developer has disclosed the indicators being used, it is reasonable to expect that trade decisions are influenced by the interaction between volatility conditions from Bollinger Bands together with momentum and trend related inputs from the stochastic and moving average components. As always, historical testing performance should be viewed as historical analysis only and not as guarantee of future results. All right, actual performance can vary depending on broker execution, quality, spread conditions, slippage, lot sizing, optimization choices, and overall market conditions. But overall, the Oblivion EA presents a straightforward MT4 expert advisor built around Bollinger Bands, stochastic, and moving average indicators, with recommended use on EURUSD M5 and a clearly defined trading window. Now, since it is available for free, traders interested in this type of indicator-based approach can easily download it, perform their own testing, and determine whether it fits their personal trading objectives and risk tolerance before considering any live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.